If you are a student and you're looking for AI tools that can help you in your daily school activities, this video will take you through some of the top AI tools that you can use. Top on the list is Grammarly. Grammarly is an AI writing assistance tool that checks for grammar, punctuation, styles, and tone. Some of the key features that you'll get from Grammarly includes providing clarity, consciousness, and vocabulary enhancement, making it essential for academic writing and plagiarism checker. The plagiarism checker is also helpful for ensuring original content. It is a great tool for students and it can help you to improve the quality of essay, assignments, and emails because it is very good at catching errors and suggesting improvements in real time. You can simply have a Grammarly account free of charge. We have the free package. The free package will help you to be able to write without mistakes. It will also help you to see your writing tone, and the free package will also help you to generate text with 100 AI prompts. And we have the pro version that goes for $12. Of course, the pro version comes and helps you to unlock more features. Some of the features includes grammar checker, plagiarism checker, AI detector, citation generator, essay checker, paraphrasing tools, AI writing tools, tone detector, style guide, snippets, analytics, as well as giving you the brand tones. To get started with the Grammarly, all you need is to sign up for free. You can sign up for free by creating account on Grammarly website, or you can just as well sign up with Google, with your Google account. Number two tool that is best for student is Quizlet. Quizlet is a great tool for creating and studying flashcards. Some of the key features is that this is an AI-powered study tool which includes adaptive learning, which adjusts difficulty based on the user's progress. Now, as a student, you can also use to access ready-made study sets using this tool on various topics. So Quizlet is ideal for test preparation, memorization, reinforcing learned concepts through various study modes like flashcards, quizzes, and games. The beauty about Quizlet is you can use this tool for free. Some of the resources we have Quizlets for students where you can create flashcards, tests, you can learn, and we have so many solutions such as chat with your AI tutor, modern learning lab, Quizlet Plus, and so many others. We also have great features for teachers that helps you to do the quizzes live. You also have, you can be able to do checkpoints as well as blogs and many others. So Quizlet is a very great tool that you can also check out. On number three, we have Notion. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace for note-taking, task management, and collaboration. Some of the key features include AI-enhanced tools for summarization notes, generating lists, and organizing study material. Notion AI helps to structure information, making it easier to adjust complex topics. This is a very great tool for students to stay organized with the research papers as well as group projects. So with Notion, you can start for free. You can get a Notion account for free. And when we come to the free version, the free package, it helps you to collaborate. It can allow you to integrate with Salk, GitHub, as well as many other form of tools. It also allows you to do the basic page analysis, and it gives you a 7-day page history that is retained, and also you can invite up to 10 guests. Of course, the Pro version begins at $10 and you'll be able to get the Notion Pro version. And with the Pro version, you'll get unlimited blocks for teams, unlimited file uploads, as well as 30 days page history. Unlike the other one, the free version that gives you only 7 days page history, and you can invite up to 100 guests. Now, on number four is Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram is not just an AI tool, it is also a computational search engine, and it provides you with instant answers to math problems, science queries, and scientific questions by computing answers and showing detailed steps. Now, it has a database that covers a wide range of subjects. As you can see here, there are math tests you can do with this app, as well as science and technology, society, culture, and it is rich with so many solutions. Such as you can see under math, we can have step-by-step solutions, elementary math, algebra, as well as plotting graphics, and so many others, such as calculus, geometry, and so many others. Even under when you come to science, you have unit measures, physics, chemistry, engineering, computation science, as well as uh, earth, material, transportation, and many more. If you come to pricing, you have the free version, which is a basic one. It gives you a personalized experience with customizable settings. And this does not include the step by step solution. That is what you have to know for this free version. The pro version begins at $5 per month, which is not much, and you can opt for this to unlock more features such as step by step solution, practicing problems with hints, and step by step solutions, guided calculators for finance, nutrition, and many more, as well as extended computation time and many more. And of course, we also have the premium version that goes for $8.25. All right. On number five, on number five, best tool that students can go for, we have Otter AI. Otter AI is a powerful transcription and note taking service. And some of the key features that Otter AI comes with is transcribing lectures, meetings, or personal notes in real time and organizes them into a searchable text. It also has an option that identifies different speakers. So, why is this Otter AI great for students? It is ideal for recording and transcribing lectures for study sessions. And now this one allows you to focus more on learning without worrying about taking notes manually. So you can also link this with various tools such as Google Meet. You can link it with with Zoom and so many others. If I look down here, you can see so many tools that you can integrate. So it is ideal for business teams, businesses, even marketing teams, as well as recruiting teams, media, and education that we are talking about. So for pricing, you can have the beauty about Otter AI is that you can begin with a free tool. The free version gives you an opportunity to use AI meeting assistant records, transcribing and summarizing even in real time. And another new feature that was just added on the free version is Otter AI Chat. It helps you to get answers to meeting questions in real time as well. You can also add teammates to the free version to your workspace, and also helps you to join features such as other collaborative tools and online meeting tools such as Zoom, Teams, and even Google Meets to automatically write and share your notes, so you can share your notes in real time. Now, it also gives you 300 monthly transcriptions minutes, 30 minutes per conversation, and import and transcribe 3 audios or video files lifetime per user. So the Otter AI is a very great function, is a very great tools, is a very great tool that can be used by students in their day-to-day study. And to also they have the app version for all apps such as Android, iOS, Android, Chrome extensions, Slack, and even for Zoom. So those are the 5 top AI tools that you can use as a student. There is an extra, a bonus one, Chat GPT. Of course, I can't end this without talking about Chat GPT. And of course, Chat GPT is a free to use tool that helps you create content, helps you to generate notes, to do your research, and all things, all other study as you wish. And the beauty about ChatGPT is that it does not limit you on what you can do. You can do essays, you can create tables using your ChatGPT, and there's a lot that you can do with ChatGPT. And this is a great tool that as a student you can't miss to use. So, what do you think? Which other great tool do you think needed to be on the list? Let me know in the comment section, and let me know how you use these tools to enhance your productivity as a student. Until next time, bye bye.